So in this video we're going to concentrate on the spreadsheet element. So the spreadsheet elements can be with the HTML. So here we go. It's questions 43 to 61 we're going to do today. And it says the office has 37 employees and they use a spreadsheet to record the hours worked each week and calculate their pay. All currency values are recorded in euros with 2 decimal places. So as soon as you see the word spreadsheet, you need to be thinking about Microsoft Excel. It says using a suitable software package, load the file J12 employees. So that's going to be in your Web31 folder that we talked about earlier, and when you download it on the day, you should be able to find that folder. So J12 employees, I believe, is the folder we're looking for. There it is. So I just go there and I open it up. So the next thing it asks me to do is place your center number, candidate number and name center aligned in the header of this file. Center aligned in the header. So let's go to the Excel spreadsheet again, and we're looking for headers and footers. So that's going to be insert and header and footer. And what you can do here is you can just click wherever you want it. So it says center aligned, and it says we need our candidate number, name and center. So that's our header done. We also need to do a footer. On the right hand in the footer, add the text last edited on, followed by today's date and time. So we can move down to the footer, and it needs to be in the right hand side. On the right in the footer, add a line last edited on, followed by today's date and time. So right hand side. So what we can choose here is, where is it? View, page layout. Here we go. Sorry, back on design. And it's date and time. So that can go in like that. So the next thing to do is merge cells A1 to G1 to become a single cell. Merging cells here, A1, B to G1, so all these cells here, we click and drag, right click, format cells, and then we can merge the cells. The next task is to do some formatting on the cell. It says format the text in this cell to white 24 serif font. Format the cell so it has a black background color, and center align the contents. So we need to write, so we can do is put 24 in here, and we need to have a serif font. So something with a serif on it, so that's got a serif on it. Or what else has got a serif on it? This has got a serif on it, so let's do a serif font there. We need a black background with white text, I believe. White 24 serif point. So the text has got to be white. And the background of the box should be right clicked. And we should be able to format that box. Or fill the cell even. There you go. So background colours, that's fine. Center align the contents of this cell. Okay, so everything's center aligned, doesn't fit in. Okay, let's undo that one a minute. So what I might try and do is merge this cell as well, and press OK so it fits in. Okay, next bit. Center align the contents of the cell. Format cells B5 to B8 as currency. So we're looking for B5 to B8. Here we go, and we've been told already that the currency should be euros to 2 decimal places. So we always, to format things, we always right click and format, and we're looking for number, we're looking for currency, and the currency we're looking for is euros, which is a bit annoying because I'm sure it's here somewhere. Here we go. Euros. Okay, just choose one of them, I believe. Okay, and 2 decimal places. That'll be okay. Euros, French. That'll do. Okay, next bit. Save the data model and print a copy of all cells A to 30, A3 to B20 only, showing the values. Make sure the contents of all the cells in this range are fully visible and the printout fits on a single portrait page. So we need to save the data model and print a copy. So A3 to B20. Let's have a look to see first of all if everything's, you can see everything. A3, which is that one, to B20, which is this one here. Okay, so what we could do here is just make it like that. That's quite good. We can see everything. Just going to get myself, save the data model and print a copy of the cells A3 showing the values. Make sure that the contents of all cells in this range are fully visible and that the printout fits on a single portrait page. Okay, so we're going to save the model, file and save. Okay, and then we're going to print it out. If it asks you to print out just A3 to B20, that's what you need to do. So A3 to B20 goes there. Actually, let's try and do that like that, so it's on the B side. Okay, and you've got to make sure that all this fits in on the B cell, and this is what we're going to print. So what we do is we highlight it, A3 to B20, and then we go to file and print, and what we're looking for is to print not active sheets, we're printing selection. Okay, and as you can see, that's portrait there, it's on portrait and it'll print on one page, so that's fine, you can print that on one page. That's the first bit done.